Introducing our thrilling YouTube channel dedicated to the mesmerizing world of hobbies. Join us on a captivating journey as we unveil the endless possibilities of this cutting-edge technology. Our latest video showcases the intricate artistry and precision of laser engraving, leaving you in awe of the stunning creations that come to life with a beam of light. Unboxing and contents. Carefully unpack the box and ensure that you have received all the components. These typically include the laser engraver itself, a power adapter, a USB cable, and a pair of protective goggles. Connecting cables. Start by connecting the power adapter to the designated port on the engraver box. Once securely connected, plug the adapter into a power outlet. Next, take one end of the USB cable and insert it into the corresponding port on the engraver box. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer. This will establish the necessary communication between the engraver and your computer. Software installation. To operate the NEJE Max A40640 laser engraver, you need to install the appropriate software. You can either visit the NEJE website and download the software from there or use the provided CD. Follow the instructions provided in the software installation wizard to complete the installation process. Software setup and engraving. Launch the NEJE software on your computer. This software allows you to import designs or images that you want to engrave. It supports various file formats such as JPG, PNG, BMP, SVG, and more. Once you have imported your design, you can customize the engraving parameters, including speed, power, resolution, and other settings based on your material and desired outcome. Make sure to refer to the user manual or software guide for specific instructions related to the NEJE software.